This is the world's first 2026 Ford F-150 sleeper built by TCcustoms. This thing's epic, and we're gonna tell you all about it. But to do that, I wanna introduce you to my good friend, Michael. Michael, take it away.
What's up, guys? So my name's Michael Boswell. I'm usually behind the camera. I'm never really in front of the camera, which is kind of a weird thing. But you may have seen me on the previous videos with the Bronco off-rodeo and with the Bronco build-off competition. So that was kind of like my first little intro into being in front of the camera. And here we are doing my first walk around on a 2026 F-150 sleeper. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but I think we're gonna get through this. So let's get to it. So let's talk about the outside first. So we didn't do anything to the front. This is the OEM texturized front grille and the matte black bumper for the front and the rear. But we can paint match the bumpers and the grille to the color of the truck or to any color if you're choosing. We can also paint match the mirror caps and the door handles to the color of the truck as well, so it cleans up the whole chassis. And if you want to see the prices on that, make sure you click the link down below on our built-in price for 2026. It'll show you the whole layout of our lowering kits. It'll show you all the different colors. It'll show you all the accessories that you can do here at TCcustoms. So make sure you click the link down below and check it out. So down here, we got Forgestar F14 wheels in a gloss black. They have different concaves. They got like a slight concave, medium concave, and a super deep concave. I think these are the medium concave, which gives it that poke. Looks really, really cool. Wrapped around these Forgestar F14 wheels, we have the General G-Max tires. They're a really great tire. They're not too loud on the interstate, but they also provide that extra level of performance with traction. Of course, with this truck being a sleeper, there's something under the hood that I'll tell you a little bit later. Now, another thing about the wheels and tires, what's right behind it is the brakes. Now, this one has the OEM brakes, which work just fine, but we can upgrade them to the Willwood Big Brake Kit, which they stop on a dime. I mean, I feel like I'm about to do a front flip whenever I lock the brakes up. So if that's something that you're interested in, we can definitely do that for you, but this one does not have that. So if I step back a little bit, you can see that the truck is definitely lower. So how did we do that? Well, in the front and the rear, we have the Ridetech coilover system. It drops at about 3 inches in the front and about 5.5 inches in the rear. But the beautiful thing about a coilover kit is that it is adjustable. You can adjust the ride height. You can also adjust the preload, which stiffens it up just a little bit more. And speaking of stiffening up the chassis, in the rear, we also have the Ridetech traction bars. You can't see them from right there because they're underneath the car. Some of them are more noticeable than others because they stick out at the bottom. These are kind of tucked up inside the bed a little bit. Those traction bars really help with wheel hop. Obviously, you want to be the fastest off the line, so you don't want that wheel hop that'll chirp your tires and you don't have any traction when you're trying to launch the truck. And also, speaking in the rear, we have the Ford trifold bed cover to cover up the bed. It helps if you want to put anything in the back, let's say like another spare set of tires, some tools or anything for your track day. They're not exposed to elements. It's also lockable so nobody can steal it. It also cleans up the rear a little bit too, just to give that more sportier truck feel. And then down here, we got the really cool part, the MBRP side exit exhaust. Of course, with this exhaust being paired up to the 5.0 Coyote V8, it sounds amazing. You can't find any other noise out there like the 5.0 Coyote. 5.0 is definitely top tier when it comes to the sound. And speaking of the 5.0, let's go see what's under the hood. So under the hood, of course, we got the 5.0 Coyote V8, right? But here at TCcustoms, we always like to spice it up a little bit, and you know we love our superchargers. So underneath here, we got the Roush Stage 1 supercharger that makes 705 horsepower. I mean, this is probably the most fun truck I've ever drove in my life. I mean, I come from a series of GR86s and BRZs and stuff, so anything that's above 200 horsepower is fast to me. But supercharged V8 sounds incredible. You got the big air intake box. And not only that, the cool thing about Roush is that you got the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty so that you are covered, because of course you put a supercharger on, it's going to void the factory warranty. So Roush has you covered when it comes to the extended warranty. And speaking of Roush, we have been labeled the #1 Roush dealer in the world, not in the country, not in the state, in the world, which is a huge, huge achievement. We are so happy and so proud, and we want to thank you guys for helping us get to that point. And yeah, I really want to say thank you, especially being on the other end of the camera and being here for about 2 years, filming all these videos. It's been really cool to see the progression from 2023 when I started to now making that achievement. So again, thank you so much. So with this being a 2026 F-150 XL, they changed a few things on the inside. So let's go take a look at that. Good God, it's windy out here. But as you can see on the inside, you know, it doesn't look like much has changed for 2026, but I promise you that there has. As you can see, we got the standard cloth interior. We got the bench seats. Of course, the centerpiece folds down. Hit that button right there. Got a little cup holder, a little area to hold your phone, all that good stuff. So these are the cloth seats, but at TCcustoms, we can change it to any color leather that you want. We can put some diamond stitching. We can do the TCcustoms headrest. We can do whatever you want. Up front, we still got the 12-inch radio. We got all the buttons for your AC. We got USB-C, USB-A, you got your 4 high, 4 low, all that good stuff. But let's talk about what Ford has changed for the 2026 F-150. I'm just hopping here real quick. First off, we got the auto start stop, the button that everybody loves. It's so cool, heck yeah. They managed to take it from the left side down here and put it right here in the center, so that everybody knows that you have the start stop. That's so freaking cool. Everybody loves it.
I don't appreciate your sarcasm.
So number 2 is the connectivity package. Now for the F-150 XL, you get a free 1-year subscription for the connectivity package, which is your Wi-Fi hotspot. You can do streaming, all that sorts of stuff. Or you can do a one-time purchase for 7 years, which I think is really cool. And number 3, and the biggest one of all, the biggest change for 2026, is the analog gauge cluster. It is back. Digital gauge cluster is no longer in the F-150 XL. It still comes in your upper trim levels, but the last time that they had the analog gauge cluster, I think, was 2023, and 2024 and 2025, it had the digital gauge cluster standard. But now we are back. It's kind of got that retro look. I like it way better than the digital gauge cluster. I think there's a lot going on, but I mean, that's just my opinion, especially for a race truck like this. I think it fits the muscle car, street truck kind of vibe way better than the digital gauge cluster ever did. But let me know down in the comments what you think about that change for the gauge cluster.
And with that being said, let us know down in the comments, what do you think of the new 2026 F-150 Sleeper? Huge thanks to Michael for carrying the video for us today. And if you haven't already had a chance, make sure you check out the F-150 Sleeper build and price. All of the information is listed down below on that link. So make sure you check out that link down below the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day. Peace.